Now he's just took.
But when he floats the ball like that, you don't even have to move your front foot.
But Bangladesh have done so poorly in their power play. They've had no.
Beautiful timing, square driving.
Oh, it's a beauty.
The ball not really doing a great deal, but it's just the length of play session. 3 down for 23.
Punch Mileage.
Yeah, Richard Kettleborough, very experienced umpire. And on 54th one.
Another drive ball.
And lightning fast out.
Nicely timed, nicely played.
Timing. The ball is coming down at the right time. You'd be able to really make a statement on this game, but it's...
Little off cutter.
Well, so he's just got to be real.
Often than not, let's have a closer look.
Gets him fine in this. Down the leg side, it's just a tickle. Question to have to make. Nicely cut away. Time. Watch those eyes and watch this bat coming down on. Cooling down a touch now. A warm afternoon. Cuts it, beats. Cutting the ball. At ample time to just put it.
Again, there you go. This is a mess, and we were just talking about spinners of yesterday. Again.
Yeah, I mean, you've
Been their strength. They're bowling. They're back.
magical deliveries for. Once again, a shot wide on the poor bowling from Pakistan.
They need to get pace at one end. Oh, against the runner.
Delivery, nothing really happened. It's just easy catch for Salman.
And gets to his half.
Should have been stopped.
He's leaning into it.
Quick. Yeah, that's small.
He's not being proactive at all. He's just waiting for a loose ball, the bowler on a bit more pressure. Yes, as a batter, when you always think you're not out as well, the match winners I've got with the ball.
Around the wicket is Shaheen.
The job for Shaheen. Watch that. What? Play with the angle bat, a touch, and just try to hit it over. There you go. Youngster comes in.
Really nasty. After
A little bit outside the off stump. I think the ground in hand, but also in catching. Shakib, round arm action. It's up-ish. Of aggression against the spinner. Hard, sweet beat, wicket practice. Can't just let the spinners get through their overs. One back. He's got a feeling for it now. Four. Being away on the leg side. Exciting talent with bat and ball. And online, he plays. Doesn't time it all well. Down the wicket, just got a bit tight. So much easier when you can free.
Couple of these remaining 3 again. Flighted on the offside.
Mohammad Wasim bowls him.
He clicks, but a perfect length hitting the off enough to hit those stumps in that game. They're doing good job.
Oh, he's standing him up again. Comes in this over.
Yeah, full, fast, straight, like.
Oh,
Just look at the way that ball tails back in.
Shakib looked to get some touch back, but it was this top wicket takers, 3 wickets apiece. It's rough, but the only way they can compete is by bowling out Pakistan, and that
Knee issue.
Tuscan Ahmed, he certainly is a wicket taker with this new ball. Bounce, but 3 scores above 50 with 100.
has a technique of his own. Can be very. Because Pakistan aren't chasing a big scores.
But he can get the ball to swing away. So as a right hand.
Oh, lovely shot.
Position and the full flow of the bat drop does do is just let you take stock.
The Fakhr Zaman. It's a bad delivery, was it? Very, very good delivery. He won in half.
Oh, he's trying to do it. What a
Saskin. He said, I'll have some of you. Deep breath.
That's nicely put.
Control.
Fakhr Zaman, that one in.
Oh, nicely timed.
Such simple movements.
Manufacturing up because you get hockey sticks, football.
Down the pitch, down the ground, out the ground.
1, 2, 3, and then it became
He's right at the bottom. Save your legs. He's just
coordinated batsman
tickle fine, fine legged.
creating that opportunity on the pads. Probably trying a knuckleball. I'm not
Very, very comfortable.
patient because if there is an edge, it's got.
That's where he's. Nice shot, punched down the ground.
Head position was very good, high elbow and just going.
Looks very well organised.
Is it?
Himself back, width, and then it was.
Seen a lot of runs.
It's all half measures. They're going along nicely now.
Yeah, looking to accelerate off net run rate on that point stable.
Trying to test.
Last ball of the previous over, pulled away.
Long time ahead and scored any sixes in the
Counters, which lie ahead down the ground. Absolutely
Playing him. This is the damage he can.
number 3 batter. Surprised that he's been given.
Brings the power.
ticking off milestones at the moment. His puck is
He's up the 100-run partnership as well. It's not what he wants to do. He's itching to get down.
the use of the feet tonight.
Away. Let's see the swing there. Nice big follow.
Short, just tugs it around the corner and.
The batters have been still in opening partnership.
Oh, you can just tell from the sound of the bat.
Not getting 100.
Straight up.
Original art decision, stand by.
That's what you come to see.
Magic. Everything's all right about that.
Yeah.
Purity of the timing there. Just hitting it hard in.
See you later.
There in the slot, you wait against the spin. Massive six. These are staggering. Still, I mean, the sample size is not.
Oh, Fakar, he's putting on a display tonight.
Having them so effortlessly against the spin and smack.
Surface is behaving. We need that because the fucker.
Not too surprised at that.
And his intention's very clear.
Looking for that.
Litton Das had a good score. Wasn't able ups for him.
Stage when you are looking
Down on one knee to be able to play a slog sweeper.
Ability of getting past him. Look at that bludgeon.
right. Oh, he picked that up. That's a
Short delivery, yes.
And he's got a really good swing of the bat there.
They bat him down the order, way down the order. This might be it.
हला बिगाड़ा थोड़ी खैर हाय 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 बिगाड़ भाई चिट्टा पहली मुंह से पानी नहीं मगरना यार नहीं हाय चिट्टा हाय हट गया ना उठ गया जट को नहीं घाटे हो ना ताड़ी होनी चाहिए जट भी हट गया ओए हाय 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 जट्टा रे हाय हाय तालियां यार गालों से रोना मार गया ये और ये बॉल काट के थोड़े बाद और थोड़े दिन पर पहुंचे में एक बॉल काट के से हमरा आवन वाले मोहसिन रहमान ढेर सारी आपका शुक्रिया सर मेहरबानी जी हाय 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 नवीन मदद से सही हाल टप्पे आगे दी जाके पप्पू पीटी फटिया था तालियां दो तालियां दो तालियां पिछा जा जाता पिछा हट के हाय 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 बिजू निकल गई बोल पा तालियां दो तालियां बहुत ताला जा गया हाय 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 गिराई साफ गिराई हाय 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 हेलो तालियां यार दो ने नवी जगह पे भी हो तालियां बहुत पूरा कर दे तेरा ताली हमारे कंजूसी करे यार ओए होए होए ओए होए होए Seria máquina.